We'll show you how to print efficiently with your DNP DS620, how to insert paper and ribbon, how to fix common issues that may occur. If you didn't already know me, my name is Bill. I've been in the photo booth industry for 5 years. My main thing is luxury and corporate events, and just 2 months ago, I moved from Paris to Charlotte, and my hope is to have one of the best photo booth companies in the US. I also love sharing with others, which is why I post these kind of videos to help you and help myself in case my memory fails me one day. The DNP DS620 is the best choice out there. First, because of the versatility this printer gives you. You can print more than 5 different formats with just one device, and that to me is really impressive. It is also very lightweight compared to other professional printers such as his brother, the DNP RX1. Despite the fact that the RX1 can print up to 700 pictures, when this one can go to 400 without changing the paper. But from my experience, 99% of the events will not get past 400 prints. So normally, you're good to go. Let's say you just received your DNP DS620 and you want to start printing. The first step is to connect your printer to the computer. I am assuming that you know how to power the printer and turn it on. The second step is to put paper plus ribbon inside the printer the right way. Note that we did the replacement with the printer on. Never do it with the printer off, otherwise you won't be able to know if it is working or not. I do know that this might be overwhelming for you since all you want is a printer that works, and that's why you will find a link in the description where you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, and I will solve any problems that you might have, just like I did with more than 50 students in the past. And if I can't help you, you get your money back. It is that simple. But sometimes things don't go as planned and some errors may occur. The most common are the paper jam and the ribbon cut. Let's start with the second one. To fix a ribbon cut, you want to open the media compartment, remove the ribbon cassette, reattach the ribbon using a cellophane tape. The transparent one is better. Advance the ribbon several times until the tape is no longer showing. Make sure there is no slack in the ribbon and replace the cassette in the ribbon. And then you have paper jam. Paper jam is when a piece of paper is stuck inside the printer, which might be coming from many different reasons. The paper might be wrinkled or whatever, and this is how you solve it. You want to pull out the media compartment, release the paper compartment, release the lever, remove the scrap box and set it aside, remove the paper roll from the printer, pull any paper remaining from the printer and cut off any wrinkled or partially printed paper. Cut it evenly, otherwise it is not gonna work. And last, you want to replace the paper and put it back into the printer. You also want to replace the scrap box and close the media compartment drawer. The printer will then show some light as it is aligning the media. And when paper is aligned, 5 blank test images will be printed. Remember to always empty the scrap box after every event. A full scrap box can create printing issues. If you do have a problem with your printer that you're struggling to solve, or maybe your photo booth is giving you issues, feel free to book a 1-hour consultation call with me. I've been in this business for more than 5 years and I love helping other people. I also got an incredible photo booth overlay offer that will help you streamline your processes and focus on what matters most, your customers. You will also find a link to my free newsletter where every 2 weeks I will send you everything I learned from this business and that I am putting in practice now to get more bookings. I'm just getting started in the US market and I hope we can build this thing together. There are a lot of resources in the description of this video, so feel free to take advantage of all of them. If you didn't already, just hit the like and subscribe button because I'm going to send videos like every single week. I want to share the maximum amount of value with you guys so that we can all strive together and live the dream life we all want.